How to search for words or phrases in a chat. Open WhatsApp and go to the chat screen. Now enter the conversation, private or group, where you want to search. Once inside the chat, tap the three-dot icon in the top right if you use Android, and select Search. You can also tap directly on the name of the contact or group at the top, and tap Search. At this point, a search bar will appear. Type the keyword or phrase that you want to find. WhatsApp will immediately start searching for all the corresponding occurrences in that conversation. You can scroll through the results using the up and down arrows next to the search field, so you can quickly jump from one message to another. It's a super fast way to find information without having to manually scroll through thousands of messages.